of snow because of its name, Snow Ice Cream. So we have snow everywhere. It is still snowing. Look at that. So we got lots of snow here. Don't dig too deep. Get this top part, and I'm only going to take the top part because we have lots of fresh snow. No yellow snow. Yellow snow, brown snow, nowhere. Okay, let's start digging. Not too much. That looks enough. Oh, that's a big one. I'm taking the top because we have lots and lots of snow. Oof. We also had snow like this yesterday. Look at this. Whoosh. So, this is enough snow. The snow's a lot deep even though, but it's okay. Let's just get up from the snow. Try to lift it. Oh, probably do it. Oh, I was going to say I need help. I don't. Okay, let's step in this patch I made earlier. Guys, now we need sweetened condensed milk. Sweetened condensed milk. I know I was a little funny earlier. I clapped and the snow went on my lip and I went silly. But that's okay. Let's get back to cooking. But we don't need to go inside for this. It's easy peasy. We can do it outside in the winter with our jackets. I want a piece of snow to fall on my tongue. It's okay. Okay, so I have this can opener lock in here is super tight. Also heavy. Okay, let's get a twisting. Can you help me? There it goes. Whoosh! Okay, Papa's going to pour it in. Whisk it with this whisk. Okay, whoosh! There it goes. Oops. Okay, now you're going to start whisking. Okay, let's... What was I doing? Whisk. Oh, it's all coming together already. It's all coming together. Okay, I need help. This is hard. I'm gonna make a snowball. Whoosh! I turned it towards the camera. I turned the snowball towards the camera. This snow is too fluffy. It breaks apart when we put it in there. I brought tons of powdery snow. Tons of powdery snow. Okay, now we need vanilla essence. Oh, it's all broken apart. It's all broken apart. Okay. Papa pulling it out for me. Papa pulling it out for me. So now we need camera essence. I said vanilla essence. Here we go. Look, that's better. Push. There we go. Whisk time. Whisking time. I tried to snow at you, Papa. Guys, you can use sugar if you wanted more sweetened. You can use normal milk if you don't have sweetened vanilla essence. Yeah, I meant condensed milk. I meant. Okay, I'm gonna try some. It's good. So, I have a surprise, guys. Wow! It's cones. It's cones. We have cones here. I left it a surprise because it was pretty much fun. Okay. Can you open it for me? In the picture of the box, it has a different flavor we have. This is fun. I feel like I'm working in an ice cream truck. I feel like I'm working in an ice cream truck. I feel like I'm working in an ice cream truck. Ouch. Oh, this is yum. This is gonna be yum. Ah. This is gotta be yum. This is not going to be yum. This is gotta be yum. It's gotta be yum. Not gonna be yum. But I still feel like I'm working in the ice cream truck. I'm coming. Okay, let's get in my little patchy. Look at this. Okay, I have another surprise for you. Okay, I'm gonna show you. Sprinkles. Okay, we have sprinkles here. This is gotta be yum. Okay, here we go. Here comes the sprinkles. Oh, it's going everywhere. Look at that. Whoosh. Look at that. Okay, I'm going to try it. I also going to eat the cone because I like it. Now I get my jacket down. Good. It's so fluffy. It literally beats real ice cream. It literally beats it. So fluffy. Look at that. I spread a little color. Look at that. It's going everywhere. I'm so excited to eat that cone. Oh, this is super. It's super yummy. This is the best ice cream I ever ate in my whole entire life. Okay, I'm almost done eating it. The cone is way too good. Beets. Oh. Oh, and the cone. It's super yummy. I feel like I'm eating a real ice cream from the ice cream truck. This is so good. Guys, if you add too much condensed milk, you can get some more fresh snow and dump it in. Then start whisking it. And if you have any surprises like I do, you can use it. And I'm going to roll down. I'm going to roll down the hill. There you go. I'm going to get it later. After I go. Look at this cloud. Like, no one was thrown over here. Okay, now I'm past them. That was so deep over here. That was so deep. Up here. That was so deep. Look at my pot where I made it, even though. Okay. Come on. Ow. That's brilliant. Ah! This freezing. Ah! Here I come! Ah! 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 I'm sitting. What? Still rolling. Ah! I'm sitting but still rolling. Oh. Guys, have you ever seen the snow angel? I'm going to show you how to make one. To make a snow angel, you need fresh and untouched freezing snow. Or it can be a little warm, but our snow is probably freezing. Okay, let's lay down. Lay down. Do like this for a few minutes. Look at the clouds. Yeah, somehow. Ouch! Ouch! Look at that snow angel. Look at that snow angel. Look at it. Amazing. This snow angel's amazing. I don't want to roll again. I'm coming back down to eat my ice cream some more. I can see the sun peeking. The house is too fluffy. The snow is way too fluffy to hold on together. Oh. Whoosh! Just coming a little closer. So here's the camera. I can't run. I can't run. I have to walk. But I wouldn't. Ow! Ouch! It didn't hurt because it's snow. I'm going to throw a few snowballs at it. Whoosh! Do not eat too much like me. Otherwise, you'll be hyper like me. And this is not junk because make sure people that kind of add some chemicals, so it's bad. But we didn't add any chemicals, so it's good. I ate the two. Good. Guys, hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe me, like it, share it. Bye. And if you haven't seen my videos, please go watch them and like all of them. And also please share with your friends and family. And subscribe. Guys, I also go and check my Facebook. It's called Jordan's Icmys. By my YouTube channel, it's called Icmys. Bye. So, goodbye. And oopsie. Sprinkles everywhere. I didn't throw a sprinkle. Snowball. Papa, come. Papa, come. Come for a second. Can you put sprinkles on this snowball?
എന്തിനാടാ?
I want to eat it.
Okay.
Sprinkles.